Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with your own picture or photo on Xiaomi Redmi K30s, at the first you have to move for the settings, then scroll down. Let's enter one more time. Scroll down and go for the additional settings, select languages and input, click to manage keyboards and then select settings from Gboard. After that, go for the theme and then click right here on the left upper corner. Right now we are in the gallery and we can take one of this picture to apply for our keyboard theme. I'm going for this one. Right now we are able to change the picture, scale, change the size, take the best part of it. After that you have to click next, and right now we are able to set up transparency. I'm going for 70%, click done, and also we can turn on keyboarders so you can make it. After that you have to click apply, and as you can see right now, here it is, our new keyboard theme. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.